Sweet. Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Alexei from We Love Samples. You're awesome because you stopped by and you're watching how I drink coffee. No, this is not why you are here. You are here because you want to know what quick number 3 is. Quick tip number 3 is. But what quick tip number 3 is, I already mentioned it in the first quick tip, but I want to get a little bit more in depth into it and give you some, experiment. Let's call it like this. So I will play a loop that contains 2 bars. I will play it 2 times, so we have 4 bars, and you will tell me what loop, so number 1 or number 2 or A or B, is sounding for you better, okay? Super easy. I stop it, you write it down in the comments what you think is better for your ears. This is a test, guys. This is a test because you will understand what's going on when you can apply it later on yourself, and there will be another tip actually included in this tip. So, are you ready? Let's go. Now it's the time to type in the comment what you think. Is it A, is it B, is it 1 or 2? You decide yourself, okay? And I believe that most people will say it's... wait. 3, 2, 1. It's number 2, so it's B. Why? Because it sounds louder. And because it sounds louder, our ears tell us, hey, dude, it's louder, it's better. It's better for us, right? And this is a two-side thing. So what does it mean? It means that if you want that your mix, your instrument, your vocal, whatever you are doing inside your DAW sounds a little bit more louder, okay, you can apply this saturation technique or this overdrive technique. Call it whatever you want, it doesn't matter. You just grab a tool that is called either a bitcrusher that has an overdrive knob like here on the left side as you see, or you grab a saturation knob that is comes free from SoftTube. I will link it down below in the description. Some sort of a saturation. And what a saturation does is actually behind the scenes, it's super physical and technical. I'm not an expert on this. What I know is that because it goes into this tool, right? So the saturation or compressor, sometimes even with a Q tape machine 100%, it gives us a little bit more new frequencies. So new frequencies, no new overtones are created. And because of that, the signal becomes a little bit more richer in sound, and this is for our ears a little bit louder because we have a little bit more information inside, a new information inside this audio file, right? The music, whatever it is, doesn't really matter. So it will become louder. So 2 important things that I want to mention is, the first one is when you compare a tool A or B, so when you insert, for example, in a Q or a compressor or a limiter or a saturation plugin, doesn't matter what it is, always compare A, B, what it was before and what it is after. Why? Because I said before, our ears tell us, and most of the time when we insert in compressor 100%, saturation 100%, and limiter 100%, it means that the sound becomes automatically louder, and there is no adjustment in volume. And this is important that you understand that if you do it, then you try to reduce the volume until the point that your preverse file, so your dry signal, is as loud as your signal that does have this tool on it, right? Inserted in this channel. And number 2 is, I said it already before, if you want to make something louder, just make sure that you put some sort of a saturation on this channel. And the cool thing about it, like for us to understand how sensitive our ears actually are, look how much overdrive, right? Or how much I saturated. It's actually nothing because, first of all, the mix is only at 25%, right? 25%. And the overdrive here is only 0.25. So 25% and 2.5 meaning that we have to divide it by 4 again to get actually this point. How much is it by 4? It's like 6, something around 6, so 0.06, right? And our ears already tell us that this signal is louder, and most time it will be felt that the signal is better. But sometimes it is not. So when you compare music, for example, right, your mix vs your master, oftentimes you think that your master is better than your mix. Why? Because it's louder. However, no. You have to make sure that the loudness of your mix and your master is at the same volume, so your ears can decide what is actually better. Because if you have a little bit more heights in the master, it will sound better because you have heights. Or if the master does have a little bit more low end in the file, right, compared to the mix, it will sound as well better because the more we add, the louder it becomes, okay? So this is a quick tip today. I hope you could take something away for yourself. And now you have 4 options. Option number 1 is you like this video and give me a comment. I hope you already did by answering A or B. Number 2 is you subscribe and you will see me and this channel again. Number 3 is you buy me a coffee. I never said it before. So by buying me a coffee, you support this channel, you join my private Facebook group, and you get a little bit more attention from me and from other people who already joined this group. So those people are interested in audio and music production. They want to, to ask questions and get feedback on mixes, on their music, etc. So they're singer, songwriters inside, they're technical guys inside who are doing mixing and audio stuff. There are composers inside, there are producers inside, and I wanted to create this group for all of those people who are in this art, right, field, and they do love samples, obviously, so they are somehow connected to music and audio, and those people, they want to see more results than they had before, and by supporting this channel, takes a lot of time to create all of the stuff, but if you support it, you will get into this group. There are downloads inside, exclusive stuff, so it's just one single coffee, a cappuccino, and that's it. Nothing else. And number 4 is you share this video with someone you know that is interested as well in audio and music, and it will help the channel to grow. All right. Have a beautiful day. Take care, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.
Swag on over, little boy. Swag on over, little boy. Swag on over, little boy. Swag on over, little boy.